Hey, this is Max, and to keep you updated on some opportunities to make money online, I recently came across a site called VO Genesis, and it promotes itself as a platform that you can learn how to make $1,200 a day as a voiceover artist. So I had to do my research to see if this is a legit opportunity or not, and what you can expect if you invest in this program. So let me get straight to this review and see if this opportunity called VO Genesis can live up to the hype. Now, I've written a review on my official website, and there'll be a link to this below where I explain everything in regards to this company. It says what you will learn with VO Genesis. Can you really make $1,200 a day? How much it costs to get started, and if this is a scam or a legit opportunity. But I'm gonna answer that mostly in this video. And if I take you to their official website, you can see you'll most likely land on a page that looks like this with a video from the creator, and you will also see testimonials from people that supposedly benefited off this system. But I want to highlight this one on the bottom where this guy named Keith says, 2 years ago, if anybody told me I would be making 6 figures in my pajamas from home, I would have laughed. I mean, what kind of job pays you that much for you to sit at home? Well, believe it or not, I'm close to making 6 figures this year, and all I have to do is get on my computer and talk. That's it. I just get up every morning, shower, sit on my computer, and just read what's on the screen. And I get paid anywhere between $500 to $1,000 just to do that. It's just the middle of the month, and I'm already making 3 times my monthly salary for my last job. Now, there are some positive and negative reviews in regards to this program, and some of the negative reviews stem from the fact that their hype sales video make it seem like it's really easy to make money with this. But people that are very successful doing voiceovers, they do voiceovers for cartoons or commercials for popular brands, and they could be like Pepsi or Mercedes or maybe even the newest iPhone. Another thing is that if you are serious about starting a voice acting career, you would need to invest in more than just an education. You would also need to invest in building a home studio. So that is something to take into consideration when starting this. But another thing is people say that you can learn some of this stuff for free. And personally, if I'm starting a new business venture, I would want things to be presented to me in a structured way. And it only costs like, I think, $40 to get started and $37 for their voiceover insider's guide. There's a few more things that they offer, but it's not necessary when it comes to starting a voice acting career. But if you're not too enthused about voice acting, I want you to, since we're on the topic of making money from anywhere, I've written an ultimate guide to make money online, and if you take a look into my site, I have an ultimate guide where I go over 4 proven steps that a lot of successful entrepreneurs take when starting an online business. So if that's something you're interested in, there will also be a link to this below. But let me start wrapping this up for VO Genesis. So if anything, VO Genesis can be a good start for learning how to become a voiceover artist and starting a voice acting career. But if you have heightened expectations and go into it thinking that you'll be making $1,200 a day within a week or 2, then you'll most likely be disappointed. So I hope this provided clarity on what to expect if you sign up for VO Genesis. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the button and subscribe so you can stay up to date with the best opportunities to make money online. Max Edwards from ChancesToLive.com signing out.